Okay, on Angry Bird we have an issue with getting over that bar, getting through there. If you're Bo and Luke Duke, you won't have that much trouble, but when you get like me, it's a little harder. But I did a little modification. This side is, I think, finished. Unlatch it, push up just a little bit, and there we go. Got it on shocks, got it on hinges. Holds it up. You can ride like that if you want to, but once you get in, then you can pull it down. If you want to pull it down and close it, pull it down, hold down on it a little bit just like a normal T-top, and latch it. There you go. It can be done.